guys, welcome to PEIK time. Today we're going to make some sweet rolls from Skyrim. Not the best game ever.
It is.
No, it isn't. Okay, so the first thing we need is some of these to put the mixture in. We're going to get that into soon. And then we need 5 eggs. And then we need some baked powder. And also some vanilla, salt, flour, a little flour. I don't know what this is called.
Icing sugar.
And also we need some butter. I don't know what this is called.
Sugar.
And don't forget some milk. So you have to have half a teaspoon of salt. Hopefully this, oh yeah. Okay, so we've done that. So now we have to have a 1/4 cup of milk. And it says cold and trays of fresh full cream milk. Now we need 2 cups of a big cup of flour. Do that. Scoop. We need 1 cup of butter. Okay, that was easy. Let's crack some 5 eggs. The eggshell has to go. The eggshells have to go in the compost. We need 1½ teaspoons of vanilla. Do you want to smell? There you go. Oh, it smells so vanilla, but never taste it. It tasted bad. I tasted it before. That smells so good. Now we need 1 2/3 cup of sugar. Ah! Okay, that's bad. Okay, that's bad. It's fine, we can fix it. Okay, so now I need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Never heat it raw. Now it's time to mix the ingredients. Now for the best part. Now I have to put the mixture into the molds. Now we have to bake for 20 minutes, what you just saw. They're all done now. Now, to take them out, you have to have some safety. Now, I'm gonna do the icing. I need 2 cups of icing sugar. 2 big spoons of butter now. Is that 1 big spoon? 2 tablespoons of milk. Then add a little, maybe like 1 more spoon of milk to get it like neater. Now, just for a little taste test. Now we have to chop off the bottoms to make it flat. Yeah. Now we have to put the glaze or icing on the sweet rolls. Insane, people. This goes super insane. So if you followed our recipes, this is how you make Skyrim. Now it's time to play some Skyrim and eat our sweet rolls. Don't forget to click the bell for notifications and see our future videos and leave a thumbs up. Now I want to aim for a thumbs up is maybe 100. Okay, before we go, fighting.